me the light pass. When me a connect wire, me connect it fast. Me I tell you, say me come from back in the past. Okay, this is what we're gonna be using to make our project today. A 12-volt battery, a single LED, and 3 capacitor connected in parallel. I'm gonna be showing now. This is 10 volt, 2200 microfarad. Focus. Yeah, this is the other 10 volt, 2000 microfarad. Let's see what's 16 volt, 2200 microfarad. This is the only thing that I get to use right now, so I'm just gonna be using it. Just a simple light dimmer or a slow turn off. First of all, we're gonna be connecting all red to red, positive to positive. Negative to negative, black to black. Light already. Okay, there you go. I'm just gonna be removing one of these leads from the battery because I don't have a switch wire. I'm just gonna be showing you how does it work. Shadow it. I'm just gonna be turning off the light to show you how does it work in the dark. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you put a like on it. You can even put a dislike. But me tell you say, if you like this video, to be continue. Subscribe for more. To be continue. Subscribe for more.